Good morning children, welcome to math class. How are you all? I hope you are good. So in previous session we had completed studio page number 36 and yesterday we had learned about before numbers and after numbers. So now open page number 37 children. 10 more and 10 less. So in this class we are going to learn about 10 more and 10 less numbers. So first let us look for patterns. Fill in the blanks with 10 more numbers. So we are given 127, 137. Here given 5 blanks. You have to fill in these 5 blanks. Fill in the blanks with 10 more than the given number. So what we have to write children? Here we have to write 10 more numbers. So how we have to write 10 more? So check here. 127, 127. Yeah, what is 10 more number of 137 children? Just add 10. So this is 147 and 157, 167. So once check the tens places children. Yeah, once check it. In tens place 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here while writing 10 more numbers, the digit in the tens place becomes one more. Okay, while writing 10 more numbers, the digit in the tens place becomes one more. Here while adding 10 more numbers, only the tens places increases one children. So next here given second one 156, 166. So write remaining 3 children. What is 10 more numbers? Here you have to write 10 more numbers. 156 and 166. So which number comes after 166? 160 is there, no children. 10 more. So 76 and 100. 70 no 86. 196. Okay, check the tens place. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so while writing 10 more numbers, the digit in the tens place becomes one more. Okay, the digit in the tens place becomes one more. Here you have to check. Only the tens places increases once more children. Next, in the down here given, now we have to write 10 less numbers. So first we wrote 10 more numbers. So now we have to write 10 less numbers. So now we have to write 10 less children. Okay, now we have to write 10 less. Fill in the blanks with 10 less than the given number. So here I have to check what are the numbers given. 199 and 189. So first we wrote 10 more children. 10 more means you have to add 10. So 10 less means you have to subtract 10. So 9 and 8. These 10 less no children. Now which number comes? 179. Okay. 10 less no children. And then 169. 159. Okay. Check the tens places. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, so while writing 10 less numbers, the digit in the tens place becomes one less children. We are finding 10 less means in 10 you have to check ones place is 0 and tens place is 1. So just while finding 10 less numbers, just you have to subtract 1 from the tens place. So now write 147 and 137. So what is 10 less number of 10 less number children? What is 10 less number of 137? 100. So just you have to subtract 1 from tens place. 127, 170. So again subtract 1, 107. Okay, check the tens place. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, only the tens places becomes 1 less, children. Okay, while finding 10 less numbers, the digit in the tens place becomes 1 less. So easily you can subtract 1 from the tens place, will get 10 less numbers. If you add place 1 in the tens place, will get 10 more. And if we subtract 1 from the tens place, will get 10 less, children. Okay, you can find very easily. Just add plus 1, will get 10 more number. And if so, you have to add 1 in tens place, children, and subtract 1 in tens place, will get 10 less numbers. Now we are given 2.11. How many digits will be there in 10 more than 7? Now what we have to find? How many digits are there in 10 more than 7? So first what we have to find? We have to find what is 10 more than 7. Okay, what is 10 more than 7? Okay, you have to find 10 more than 7. Yes, what you have to do? So while finding 10 more number, just the digit in the tens place increases 1. So here any tens place digits are there? No. So write just 1 in tens place. So 10 plus 7 is 7. It is 17. Okay, children. 10 more number of 7 is 17. So in 17, how many digits are there? 2 digits. Okay, children. In 17, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So if we find 10 more, the number increases. And if we find 10 less, the number decreases. Second one, how many digits will be there in 10 less than 18? Okay, how many digits will be there in 10 less than 18? You have to find what is 10 less number of 18. Okay, what you have to find, children? You have to find what is 10 less number of 18. So 10 less means just remove 1 from the tens place. So if you remove 1 from the tens place means what is remaining here? 8. Okay, 8 is the 10 less number of 18. Okay, 8 is the 10 less number of 18. How many digits are there? Only 1 digit. Okay, have to, in first line you have to write this, and in second line we have to write this one, children. Okay, so like this we have to find 10 more and 10 less numbers. So now coming to your homework. So open companion, children. So companion page number 19. Okay, so this is your homework. Companion page number 19. Companion page number 19 is homework. So here you have to find just before and just after. Okay, what you have to find? Here you have to find just before and just after numbers. Okay, this is about today's class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.